Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting and disruptive technologies of our time, cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have been around for over a decade, and during this time, they've gained a lot of attention from people all over the world. Many believe that cryptocurrencies will change the world as we know it. In this video, we're going to explore how crypto will change the world. What is crypto? First, let's define what crypto is. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure and verify transactions. They are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by a single entity, like a government or a bank. Instead, they rely on a network of computers to maintain their operations. How crypto is changing the world. Now, let's explore how crypto is changing the world. Financial freedom. Cryptocurrencies offer financial freedom to people who don't have access to traditional banking systems. In many parts of the world, people don't have access to bank accounts, and they have to rely on cash. Crypto provides an alternative to these people, allowing them to store and transfer their wealth without relying on a bank. Transparency. Cryptocurrencies are transparent. Every transaction on the blockchain is public and can be viewed by anyone. International transactions. Crypto transactions are borderless, meaning that they can be sent to anyone, anywhere in the world, without any restrictions. This is particularly useful for people who need to send money to their families in other countries, or for businesses that operate globally. Lower transaction fees. Traditional financial systems charge high transaction fees, particularly for international transactions. Crypto transactions, on the other hand, have much lower fees, making them more accessible to everyone. Security. Cryptocurrencies are incredibly secure. The blockchain technology that underpins cryptocurrencies uses advanced cryptography to secure transactions. This security ensures that your funds are safe and cannot be stolen. Impact on businesses. Now, let's explore how cryptocurrencies are impacting businesses. New business models. Cryptocurrencies have created new business models. For example, companies can now use initial coin offerings, ICOs, to raise funds for their projects. This model has proven to be very successful, with many companies raising millions of dollars in a matter of minutes. Decentralized apps. Cryptocurrencies have also led to the development of decentralized apps, dApps. dApps are applications that run on a blockchain network, making them decentralized and secure. These apps have the potential to disrupt many industries, including finance, healthcare, and logistics. Faster transactions. Cryptocurrencies enable faster transactions, which is particularly useful for businesses that need to move money quickly. For example, companies can now pay their suppliers or employees instantly without having to wait for several days for the transaction to clear. Challenges. While cryptocurrencies have the potential to change the world, there are also some challenges that need to be addressed. Volatility. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, meaning that their value can fluctuate. To use them, governments are still trying to figure it out. Thanks for watching my report on how crypto will change the world.